all A's in all of their core classes throughout their entire 8th grade year. When I call your name, please come up on the stage, and families, please hold your applause until the end because we have a lot of highest honor students. This year's high honor students are Cecilia Arndt, Josie Bacon, Grace Bell, Peyton Boardman, Grant Cogbill, Cooper Cummings, Nolan Davey, Harper Fox, Christina Gonzalez, Annalise Hall, Daphne Jesperson, Luke Kelly, Oliver Kraft, Nathaniel May, Marissa Menendez, Aylin Miles, Logan Paglini, Emmeline Runyon, Claire Schmitz, Caverick Stanton, Tova Street, and Lillian Bang.